12.99 for this amazing hello lovelies, hello life fam, how are you guys doing? Thank you for stopping by, thank you for coming back. So guys, my name is Teresa, in case this is your first time here, okay? So your girl is about to do a try on haul. Drum roll. This is my first time, guys. Yeah, I went shopping, like I pick up few stuff. It's not a massive shopping, but I was trying to put my stuff away, like trying to just put my closet together, and I noticed I have this bag of goodness that I have not arranged yet, guys. I just noticed it. So this is from a shop, it's called Mystic Grief. Yeah, it's called Mystic Grief. This shop, they basically sell different kind of brands, like they don't have their own brand, so they sell for a lot of brands. So in this shop you can basically find any type of marks that you want. So I got some items from there which I totally forgot about. So I also have this one from ZARA, which was a recent one. Yeah, it's recent because I just needed a pair of jeans. When I got to ZARA, I found this lovely pullover that I love. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought. So first of all, I'm going to start by, okay, this is the jean. This is the jean that I bought from ZARA, guys. This is the jean. Yeah, is let me just say 30 euros, 29.95. Yeah, look at it, guys. It's so cute. So it's the skinny highway black. Yeah, it's so cute, guys. So it's so cute. I also got myself this beautiful pullover, which is so cute. I like the detail at the hand. Is a puffy hand. I don't know if that's what they call it. It was about 25.95. Yeah, it's so cute, guys. It's so cute. So guys, here is the pullover. What do you guys think of this pullover? I just like this hand, which is so cute, guys. The hand is just so cute. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's just so cute. I love it. I love it. So that's the two things I got recently, though. So that's the two things, but the other ones, they are not recent, but I think about last month or so. Yeah, I got this about last month, if I'm not mistaken. So I got this pair of so cute. So this is from Mystic Grief, the shop I told you guys about, and this brand is DDP. Yeah, you see, they sell different, all kinds of brand there. So I just thought this trouser is just so cute, as in to not come home with me. So it's just too cute. So this is about size 2. Yeah, size 2. Okay, pants right here. Yeah, it's so cute, guys. Just take a look at this detail at the side. It's just so cute. It's amazing. Like, it's so beautiful. Look at the back. Look at the back. So look at the back, guys. It's so cute. It's beautiful. So I also got this top. This top is from ZARA. It's just a basic ZARA top. It wasn't that expensive. I think about 5 euros, or I don't even remember. It's the same with this one I'm wearing. I got them the same day. Yeah, the same day. It's a size L, size large. Yeah, size lash. It's so cute. It's almost the same, just different colors. This is the one I'm wearing, so that you guys can see it very well. I have to change position because the sun is just in my face. The sun is disturbing. So I got this pants. Yeah, it's what do they call this? I think it's like a suit pants. Yeah, I got this because I have the suit, like the jacket, that's the same material with this. So I just think I can pair it together anytime I want, and I can also wear them separately if I want. Yeah, this is the pants. I can't even zip it. Look what quarantine have cost. I can't even zip my pants. So like I said, I bought some of these clothes before quarantine. So this is the suits I was telling you guys about. Yeah, like I wanted to maybe just pair it together sometimes, you know, just pair it together sometimes, but I can't zip it. You see why I have to lose some weight? I can't even zip it, guys. Look. So this is the look. This is the look, guys. This is it. This is the look. So the next item is this this bum short, guys. Bum short. Okay, I bought this before the summer, guys, but hey, your girl did not wear it, and summer is finished now. So I think I'll be wearing this next summer. Yeah, I don't think it's even, because the last time I tried to wear it, okay, I tried to put it on one time, but I noticed that the thing could not even pass my thigh, because during the quarantine your girl packed up some weight, so and I bought this one before then, so I was meaning to wear it in the summer, you know, summer babes, but that never happened. So that's it, guys. Yeah, this is the bum short. Like I said before, look, it's not closing. I can't even close it. Look, I can't even close it. So look what quarantine have caused. I can't even close it. So guys, this is jewelries, and this is I bought this from Mystic Grief, guys, and guess how much it is. When I say there are things that are affordable, guys, I bought this for about, I don't know if I can still see the ticket. Yeah, look at the ticket. €12.99, guys. Yeah, boutique. Yeah, €12.99 for this amazing. So that's why I say their things are quite affordable. So guys, here is the shoe. Here is the shoe. Look at it. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. Okay, this one I brought it out, but I already have this bag because I think I'll be trying her stuff for you guys, and I need a bag to, like, you know, we are going on a fashion show, guys. So I have this one from ZARA. This one, I was meaning to wear this in the summer. I was meaning to wear this in the summer, but summer is finished now. I did not get to wear it. I bought it in the last sales. Yeah, the last ZARA says that they still have the tag on it, because these days I just buy stuff and just leave them there, because that's it. When I always, anytime I had a little weight, I just don't like dressing up anymore. I just want to lose weight, because anything I'm wearing, I just feel like, no, it's not nice, it's not, I don't feel comfortable in it. Yeah, I just prefer to, like, go back to my normal body. So I bought this one, guys. It's so cute. It's like a dress, or it's a top though. I cannot call this a dress because the down is just a net. Look at it. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. So it's so cute. So cute. I just like this. Look, feels like you're wearing a dress, you know. It just gives you that elegant look, guys. It's so elegant. Just take a look. Let me bring it down a little bit. Just take a look, guys. Take a look. Take a look, Amina. Take a look, Amina. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. That's it. So this was about $29.99 because it was says the actual price was $39.95. So I got a discount because it was on sale. So now I'm done with the clothes. This is from Mango, guys. This is not Zara. This is not Misty Grip. This is from Mango's. I got it during the sales though because I thought I needed me some jewelries. Yeah, your girl loves jewelries a lot. I love jewelries, guys. So look at it. So I think it's cute. I'm trying to open it, but I don't have scissors here. But I don't want to spoil my Eastern. So I think I have something else here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So I'll be trying this out. I almost forgot I bought these jewelries. I won't lie, I almost forgot, because if not I would have used it already, because I don't play with my jewelries. I love jewelries a lot, guys. So I forgot it inside this shopping bag. This is so cute. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. It's so cute. This is so cute. Do I do the rest of the video with this earring or go back to my other ones? Which one do you guys prefer? So guys, yeah, this is the top. Yeah, this is the top. Yeah, it's almost the same like the blue one. It's just different color. So, and this is the necklace, and this is the earring. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Okay, don't worry, anytime I go shopping, I'll be bringing you guys more shopping try on hauls video like this. So in case you have not subscribed to this channel, in case it's your first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing, guys. More amazing videos are coming, and I also have amazing videos already, so you guys check it out. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And until next time, guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, guys.